The Supreme Court today has asked the government to reply by tomorrow on whether the sedition law can be paused and whether people charged under it can be protected while the law was being reviewed by the centre. Now, all of this comes a day after the government sought more time to respond to petitions that were challenging the sedition law. The Supreme Court has expressed concern about those who are already facing charges. The matter will now be heard tomorrow.
In a significant move that could bring the stringent sedition law to a standstill, the Supreme Court has proposed to the centre that it should put all pending as well as future cases of sedition on hold until it finishes the re-examination of the law. The Supreme Court has asked the centre to respond on this by tomorrow.
Responding to the centre's U-turn, saying the PM was in favour of dropping archaic colonial-era laws, the Supreme Court said, "We cannot give unreasonable time for examining the law. Consider putting the law in abeyance till re-examination is over. We need to protect the interest of people who are already booked under sedition law as well as future cases. There are concerns about pending cases and misuse. The Attorney General himself had mentioned how a sedition case was filed in Maharashtra for reciting Hanuman Chalisa. The CJI asked the centre, "Your affidavit says civil liberties, but how will you protect those? Can someone stay in jail for months?" The centre, on the other hand, defended the sedition law, saying that FIRs of sedition are filed by states, not centre. Incidents of misuse get addressed on case-to-case basis. Courts intervene when misuse takes place. A three-judge bench led by the Chief Justice of India was hearing a batch of pleas, including those filed by Editors Guild of India, TMC MP Mahua Moitra and former Major General S.G. Wombadkar. Their lawyers asked the court to put the law on hold till the re-examination process is over. The lawyers said that arrests for sedition are taking place daily. Disaffection of government is also treated as an act against the nation. Centre has a pattern of stalling critical issues. It did the same during cases on right to privacy as well as marital rape. Between 2015 to 2020, there have been sedition cases against 548 people, but only 12 have been convicted so far.
With hundreds of sedition cases lodged across the country, all eyes will be on the central government's response tomorrow on whether it will finally put a pause on the law that it has so strongly defended so far. In New Delhi with camera person Pawan Kumar, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.